In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to simplify your small business bookkeeping using FreshBooks to save time in your accounting. We'll move step by step so everything is clear and practical. First, start by setting up your account. Enter your company name and key details exactly as they appear on your official documents. Add your business address, preferred currency, and tax information so invoices and reports calculate correctly from day one. If you have a logo and standard payment terms, set those as defaults now. This quick foundation helps every invoice and report stay consistent and professional. Next, connect your bank from the accounting section. Choose your bank, authenticate securely, and pick a sensible start date that covers the transactions you need, often the beginning of the month, quarter, or fiscal year. Once connected, FreshBooks will pull in transactions automatically, which saves hours of manual entry. As your data comes in, keep an eye on categories so income and expenses land in the right buckets. A few minutes of review each week prevents month-end pileups and makes reconciling smooth. Now, head to the Clients area in the left menu to add your customers. Include the legal business name, billing address, and primary email for invoicing. If a client uses multiple contacts, add them so the right people receive invoices and reminders. You can also set default notes or payment terms per client, which cuts down on edits later and keeps your tone consistent. Then move to the Projects area to add your services. If you bill hourly, create a project, define services, and set rates so time entries roll onto invoices accurately. If you bill flat fees, set those rates in your services so they're easy to add to invoices without retyping. Clear names and descriptions here make invoicing faster and help clients understand exactly what they're paying for. From the home screen, use the Create button to make new invoices. Select the client, pull in the relevant project or service, and double-check dates, quantities, and taxes. Add a friendly note about deliverables or timelines, and ensure your payment terms and accepted payment methods are visible. Preview before sending to catch typos, then send and enable automatic reminders if you use them. Consistent, timely invoices improve cash flow and reduce back and forth. Finally, use reports for quick insights. Review your profit and loss each month to spot trends, compare periods, and confirm your categories look right. Before filing taxes, open the tax summary to verify what you've collected and what you owe. Export reports if needed, and keep your date ranges consistent for accurate comparisons. Follow these steps and you'll keep your books clean, current, and stress-free.